Welcome back to my channel, Real Estate Defined. Today we are going to discuss a very important legal item on disclosures. Do sellers have to disclose death on the property? Watch here. Hi, this is Amol Heda with Keller Williams Berry Estates and author of Thriving Through Ownership. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, whether the sellers need to discuss death on the property when listing. So let's dig deep into it. Number one, disclosing death on the property is a state-specific law. It does not have to be always disclosed. It will depend on each state whether it has to be disclosed or not. In California particularly, it is very important that a death on the property, irrespective of the way that death happened, like accident, suicide, or natural death, it should be disclosed if that death happened on the property within the last 3 years. Also, if somebody asks whether there was a death on the property and even though it is not required to actually disclose the death, if it happened more than 3 years over, then if asked, you're still required to disclose death on the property. There is one exception though, and that exception is if the death is due to AIDS, the sellers are not required to disclose the death on the property. But in every other case, sellers are required to disclose the death. So, in summary, one, the death disclosure is dependent on each state. So you have to work with your agent who understands the rules and is competent enough to know what is going on in their own state and jurisdiction. And you will disclose the death based off of that. Number two, death due to AIDS does not need to be disclosed. Number three, if someone asks you about a death, you are still required to disclose even if the death happened over 3 years back. So you need to be working with a competent agent to help you understand and navigate these rules and make sure that you are covered pretty well. Was this helpful? If you think it is helpful to anybody, please share this video. Talk to you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.